Good morning. So today is Monday, July 16th, 2018, and today's refinishing project is located in Concord, California. And let's take a closer look at what we're going to be doing today. So we have this bathtub and surround that we're going to be doing. And as you can see, it's an absolute mess. There were shower doors on it before, so we have to patch these holes. And it's in pretty bad shape. So this will be a full day job for sure. A lot of prepping. Okay, so here's a finish up video of the bathtub and tile surround here in Concord, California. Let's have a look. This bathtub was a mess before, and there's a lot of prepping and cleaning. Looks like a totally different bathtub. Okay, so if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we refinish bathtubs, tile, showers, fiberglass bathtub enclosures and showers, vanity sinks, kitchen sinks, tile, and also clawfoot tubs and pedestal style sinks. So feel free to give us a ring. We service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.